let's draw some sunglasses. You know, they can be any shape, any color. I'm going to give you a trick to what's the basic shape of glasses, and then you'll be able to tweak it to make whatever kind of glasses you want. So let's get started. I'm going to draw in pencil because I'm going to have to really do some shaping, and I might have to do some erasing. So I'm going to start my sunglasses with a line that goes straight across, and then I'm going to come down. These are like a guideline because the front of glasses are really just a big rectangle, and then you can change them into all kinds of shapes. So I'm going to put some like little dotted lines, like here's the middle, because this is a mirror image that whatever I put over here, I better match what's over here. Okay, so in my glasses I had this little dip in the front, kind of blend it. I also had my glasses kind of went off a little to the side, and then I blend that in, kind of a little square edge, and then it blends. Now the trick is, this is narrow because it just is up at the top by the nose. I'm going to sit on the nose, but the same curve on this side. Did I get that same curve? I'm pretty close. That's why I use pencil and guidelines. Now, these I'm going to curve in just a little bit on that side. I'm going to curve it in a little bit on this side. And then I'm going to just close it up. There's the bottom of my glasses. So now let's take away some of those guidelines that we used so that we get them to be nice and clean. We don't get confused of which is our final lines, like that one that got left. Okay, now we have to draw the lenses inside the frame. So we're going to make those just about, it's like maybe a 1/2 inch or 1/4 inch away from the edge, but we're really following the same shape. Okay, you can adjust it as you go. And same thing on this side. But again, if you want circle sunglasses, you do the same trick. You would just make the inside shapes a circle. You could have hearts. You could have all kinds of hip glasses. There we go. Now, that's a pretty good sunglass shape. Now we're going to do these dark lenses. So I'm going to put on a little bit of a highlight because, you know, we're going to see the light kind of sparkle on our dark glasses. And also, these are laying flat on the table. So a little part of our, like this stem back here, folded across here, and it's going to come out this side. You know, there's the end of the sunglasses, and there's back here. And something from this side is also coming across, and it's going to come out this side. So those are the guy's stems isn't the right word, but the back of our glasses. The part that fits over our ear, okay? Now we can do the Sharpie work, nice and clean. So smooth lines when you Sharpie. Don't forget that dip. And smooth lines. Turn your paper to get all the curves the way you want them. And I'm going to start all the way at that curve and blend because I want to make it real smooth. There. Okay, same thing over here. This time I'm going to start here, and I want all one line to blend up, come down, blend in, and let's just connect the bottom. Ooh, I did good. All right, now the lenses. Remember, you're going to color these in dark, and if you wanted to just draw glasses, you would do the same thing. It's just that you wouldn't make the lenses dark. So we drew glasses or sunglasses. There. You know what? Let's make them look like glasses first. So there's the part that goes over our ears, behind it there. There you have glasses. But now if we want to make it, we're going to make sunglasses. We're going to put that little highlight in there. There. And we're going to clean it up. Oh, you know what I forgot? I had some kind of little designs on the front of my glasses here. You could put rhinestones on, or you could put decals, whatever you want. But I just had a simple little design. Okay, now clean it up. And hold your paper really still so it doesn't crumple. See, I have kind of a mess there, so I really need to clean it up. Drawing with pencil first is always good because it gives you time to just adjust things to where you want them. All right, now let's turn them into sunglasses. Ready? They look great. Remember to like the video and subscribe to our channel. We've got so many more videos for you.